cut?
It's hurt. It'd be easier if we had a dustpan.
What's wrong, baby? You got hurt?
I'm scared. I'm scared we're gonna get swarms like that. What is it? Birds? That movie? With all the crows.
It's hurt. Here, go try one more time. Poor baby.
Well, this is too big to like scoop it up. I'm scared. I don't want to hurt it.
It's not gonna do anything.
I know. I don't want to hurt it though. I think its leg is messed up.
Me too.
Well, a cat's gonna come over here and get it.
Can we call it the ambulance?
No. I mean...
You're just gonna have to take your hand and just lift it up in the tree.
I'm not gonna touch it.
I ain't gonna get babies.
It's not... Okay, get it from this side.
Don't scare it.
And I'm gonna go from the front. Nudge it. I think... Is that...
It has stuff in its mouth.
Well, its mom was probably feeding it when it got attacked. It's okay. It's alright.
Please fly up.
I know. Well, like I said, when I got home...
It can't even fly, John.
When I got home, the other bird was, like, totally nosediving. Okay, good job. Totally nosediving this cat.
Oh, there we go.
No, that's not...
Hmm?
Oh, poop.
Oh, good. It looks fine now.
It's not fine, though. Because it can't fly. It's dead. Once it's dead. Unless we can get it back up in the tree.
What's the hiding behind the tree?
Let's go ahead and... See that paper towel over there? Go pick that paper towel up and then just lift it up with that.
Wait.
This cat's gonna come back and kill it. I know, honey. I know, baby. I'm gonna try to help you, honey. You guys, what are we gonna do?
Oh, it looks mad.
Well, it's probably not happy. I know, baby.
Terrified.
I know.
I'm scared of it.
Okay, yeah.
We're just... I'm sorry, baby.
Wait.
He did his research online. He's gonna try to see how old it is. To determine what to do.
I'm gonna make sure it's at least able to figure out how to fly.
Look at his leg to the side. I think... Look, his leg is broken. Look at it, the way it's bent. I'm just afraid his mother is going to come at us. Like a raging lunatic.
Alright, well, we leave it. What do we do?
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
Who said that?
Huh?
Who said that?
No, that's what it says in mine. It's old enough to learn how to eat and find its own food.
It's gonna find its own food. It's gonna be food.
Pretty much, yeah, unless it could figure out how to fly. Its mom is within calling distance. If we touch it, it's gonna not be fine. So let's just leave it and hope for the best.
Bye, baby. I'm sorry. I wish you the best. You call for your mama, okay? Call for your mama if you need anything. It's so sad, this. Mom is crying for her baby. Keeps flying around, like, to go check on it. When I got home from work, this cat was like, this bird was nosediving and pecking this cat. So I told the kids and they ran outside and, this little bird, baby bird was in the cat's mouth. It's in the cat's mouth and, she was going crazy for it. Oh, animals are more loving to their kids than some human beings are. Poor baby bird. I think she's by her baby, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, she's right above her baby right now. She's worried about it. See, she's where the baby is. She's right there, right above him. Oh, poor thing. Sorry, Mama. She's such a good mom. Poor thing, I feel bad for her.